Hello everyone, welcome to Your Schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you're all doing well. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for your support to this channel. From past few weeks, we are seeing that all the banks in India are continuously raising their fixed deposit interest rate. However, small finance bank continue to offer the highest interest rates, ranging from 8% to 9% on fixed deposit to general public. So today in this video we will be comparing the 7 small finance bank who is offering the highest interest rate. Please remember that deposits under the small finance bank are also covered by the insurance of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, that is DICGC. Without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start with Unity Small Finance Bank. Unity Small Finance Bank for the tenure of 7 days to 10 years offers 4.5% to up to 9% to general public, and for the same tenure this bank offers a range of 4.5% to 9.5% to senior citizens. The highest interest rate, that is 9%, is offered for a tenure of 1001 day, and for the same tenure senior citizen get the highest interest rate of 9.5%. These new rates are effective February 15, 2023. Next we have ESAF Small Finance Bank. ESAF Small Finance Bank for the tenure of 7 days to 10 years offers a range of 4% to 8.1% to general public, and for senior citizen the range varies between 4.5 to 8.6%. The highest interest rate, 8.1% to general public, is offered for the tenure of 999 days, and for senior citizen the highest interest rate for the same tenure is 8.6%. These new rates are effective February 15, 2023. Let's move on to Jana Small Finance Bank. Jana Small Finance Bank for the tenure of 7 days to 10 years provides an interest rate ranging between 3.75% to 8.1% to general public and 4.45% to 8.8% to senior citizens. The highest interest rate will be 8.1% for the tenure of 2 years to 3 years, and for senior citizen 8.80% will be for the same tenure 2 years to 3 years. These new rates are effective February 1, 2023. Next we have on the list is Fincorp Small Finance Bank. Deposits maturing between 7 days to 10 years, this bank offers a range up to 3% to 8.11% to general residents and up to 8.71% to senior citizens. The highest interest rate, 8.11%, is for the tenure of 750 days. And for senior citizen, the highest interest rate is 8.71% for the same tenure, that is 750 days. These rates are effective February 2023. Let's move on to Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. This bank for tenure ranges between 7 days to 10 years offers interest rate between 3.75% to 8% for general public, and for senior citizen this bank offers up to 8.75%. The highest interest rate, 8% to general public, is for 560 days, and the highest interest for senior citizen, that is 8.75%, is for the same tenure 560 days. And these new rates are effective November 5, 2022. Next we have Utkal Small Finance Bank. For general citizens, for the tenure of 7 days to 10 years, this bank offers up to 4% to 8%. And for senior citizen, the interest can go up to 8.75%. General public, the highest interest rate, 8%, is offered for the tenure of 700 days. And the highest interest rate, 8.75% to senior citizen, is also for the same tenure, 700 days. These rates are effective from November 21, 2022. Lastly, we have Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank offers interest rate ranging from 4% to 8.51% for deposits maturing between 7 days and 10 years, and this is for general public. For senior citizens, the interest rate on FD ranges from 4.5% to 8.76%. The highest interest rate, 8.51%, will be offered to general public on FDs maturing in 999 days. For senior citizen, the interest rate will be 8.76% on FDs maturing in the same tenure, that is 999 days. And these rates are effective from December 21, 2022. We have already posted detailed video on fixed deposit interest rates of Unity Small Finance, ESAF, Jana, Fincorp and so on. We have also posted the latest interest rates of top 10 banks in India. Please make sure to check those videos as well. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, it means a lot. We bring to you latest bank news, latest interest rates and financial updates. We also talk about LIC policies, other bank schemes. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a good day.